The end? Oh, the end! Yay!
Oh,
Okay.
great job.
One last go.
One last talk.
Well, Priya needs some time
It's
too.
Priya's got to
Brayden,
No.
can you announce Priya?
say, ladies and gentlemen.
No, you.
No,
Brayden.
you do it. You do it.
You announce puppy Priya.
Say, Brayden, say, ladies and gentlemen. Presenting.
Welcome.
Welcome to a puppy training.
Yay! To our puppy singing.
Oh yeah. Okay, Priya's turn. Move over, bud.
It needs to puppy training.
Come here. Come
You did
sit on
great
Daddy
job,
now.
Brayden. Okay, Priya.
What does one say about the little puppy training?
Okay.
Make sure you get the microphone adjusted just right first.
They're perfect.
Okay. Once upon a time was a little baby puppy. He had his mother and father. They were nice and kind. One day they went on a little walk. And they went to see the sister. And they were all nice and kind. They had a nice birthday. And when they headed home, they sleep tight and they had a little nap. Nice and tight. And this little puppy was safe and sound.
Yay! Good story. Awesome. Okay, now are you going to sing us a song?
Yeah, that little puppy.
Okay.
But I have to be the puppy, but I'm not going to sing. Okay.
Done.
Sing.
No, I'm just going to
Who's gonna sing?
Nobody. Me.
No, you sing us a song, Priya.
Story.
Oh, okay. Well, can the puppy sing us one song?
We can do
Okay, Brayden, you sing a song for the puppy to dance
You
to.
sing a puppy song then.
Can Brayden sing? Or?
Puppy, puppy, dance, dance, puppy, dance, dance, puppy, la 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 loo. Puppy, dance, puppy, dance, and
Oh.
dance, everybody,
Okay, cheese.
dance, and my baby, puppy.
The end.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Oh, now fall off. I guess it's off.
I guess
Oh,
it's
man.
over.